Small vendors and traders across Karnataka have raised serious concerns after receiving GST notices for UPI transactions above 40 lakh rupees a year. The Karnataka Pradesh Street Vendors Association member Abhilash Shetty said small businesses run with a margin of 5 to 10%. The tax, GST, along with other things like penalty, comes to 50%, and it is not possible for the vendors to pay such a huge tax with this.
No, it's not a demand actually. It's a relaxation we are seeking from the government. Actually, what happened, like the dealers who has to get the registration as per the GST Act, one who crosses 40 lakh turnover per year. So government has the GST department has taken the information from through the UPI payments. Now currently in Karnataka, commercial tax department has given the notices with for 3 years data what they have taken from the UPI payments with the interest and penalty. So we are like the people are now who is doing the small businesses with their small funds and all. They are doing this business for just 5 to 10% margin. So now the government, if the commercial tax department has given the notices where the condiments are dealing with the many more items which falls under 18%, 5%, zero rated, even 40% with cess and 28% tax. So now when they have done the business with 5% margin, now they are not able to pay 18% or 28% tax with penalty. Altogether will come around 50%, sir. It's real. Practically, it is not possible only. So like we are seeking the government, we are requesting the government to interfere with this matter and give the relaxation to those people who is suffering from this, sir, actually. Small vendors. Yeah, they have Abhilash Shetty.
Advocate Shakuntala, representing the association, said if taxes are being imposed, why were they not educated first? When they took the registration, they should have been made aware about the taxes on selling of goods, revenue.
Small vendors.
See, relaxation is what I'm telling. Now notice has come to them. Okay, so one notice has come to them. You ask demand the present whatever the liabilities and priors. Yes, of course they have to pay the priors. But why you not educated them when they are taking the registration of shop and establishment? Why you are not given educated them that see if you cross 40 lakhs you have to pay the tax. If you are selling this goods you have to pay the tax. If you are selling the mill or whatever vegetables or agricultural things you need not to pay the tax. You educated them, no? Once you educated them, even after educating them, then they are not registering or they are not paying the tax. Then you claim. That is, we are not telling. But first of all, whatever the act is coming, that is the duty of the government, duty of the department to educate them. This is what actually we are going to say that.
BJP spokesperson Amit Malviya criticized the Congress government and said Congress is destroying small businesses in Karnataka. The data from UPI transactions is being weaponized to raise arbitrary tax demands.
बिजनेस चालू किया ये सब्जी और फल का टैक्स नहीं रहता, बट ये फोन पे और पेटीएम ट्रांजैक्शन करता ना हर कस्टमर आने के लिए 10-30 रुपये फोन पे करके वो आइटम ऐसा पेमेंट ज़्यादा हो गया ज़्यादा हो तो वो एक साल में 40 लाख ज़्यादा क्रॉस हो गया। वो जीएसटी रूल्स क्या बोलता हूँ 40 लाख के ऊपर रहता तो जीएसटी नंबर लेने के लिए बोलता हूँ, बट मेरा गुड्स और सब्जी और फल वो टैक्स नहीं रहता, इसलिए मैं नंबर नहीं लिया। बट अभी क्या करता है, अभी जीएसटी ऑफिस वाला बेंगलुरु वाला नोटिस दिया मेरे को, आप 4 साल से इतना बिजनेस किया, 1.5 करोड़ रुपये बिजनेस किया, 1.5 करोड़ रुपये को आप 29 लाख रुपीस टैक्स भराने के लिए बोला। मैं इसलिए ऑफिस जाके जीएसटी ऑफिस जाके पूछेगा, वो बोल रहा हूँ आपको सब्जी व्यापार करते हैं, फल का बिजनेस करते हैं, उसका प्रूव करने के लिए बोला। इसलिए मैं दुकान का लाइसेंस और फूड सर्टिफिकेट और सभी क्या क्या है डॉक्यूमेंट पूरा दिया कराया, तो वेरिफिकेशन करके बोला। अभी भी कुछ भी कोई नहीं बोला, इसलिए मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ जल्दी क्लियर करके मेरा धंधा करने के लिए ये दिया तो अच्छा रहा।